Hey guys, sorry to take a moment out of your day, but if you're watching this video, I have a very important message to pass along to anybody out there. I actually decided to just film this here in my free time. It's been something that's on my mind and really starting to become an issue. If you've come across any of these comments on the YouTube community, and you'll see these in the comment section, they look somewhat like a conversation, usually someone talking about someone or leaving a long message with a bunch of thumbs up, and it really looks like a live active conversation, usually with some form of contact information of what sort. Please, everybody, as a public little notice here, these are big time scams. This is a scammer bot. Really, it's just bots that are pumping these out across the YouTube community, and it's seriously becoming an issue. And I wanted to come out and just say, first of all, there's a twofold message. Number one, of course, to anybody that's here on the YouTube platform watching videos, be careful of this type of thing. And I know a lot of us can recognize this, but a lot of us, I mean, the reason they do these is because they work and they look like a conversation, and it's very easy to fall for this type of thing. How sad is it that somebody comes to YouTube to come and learn from our channels? And this is a message not only to viewers, but to other YouTube creators as well. People are coming to our platforms to come learn from us, to try and make some money, and then they can get fooled and they can get sucked into these scams where they end up actually paying somebody or PayPaling somebody money because they think they're doing the right thing. These scammers are just preying on people, and they are relentless. They are ruthless with the amount of comments they're posting. I know for a fact, me personally, when I go through my comments on a day-to-day basis, I'm deleting close to 15, on average 15, maybe even more of these messages, these fake conversations that people are having on a daily basis. And those are just the ones that I see. There are so many more that get by, that squeak by, and another comment that I don't see. And it's just flooding YouTube. Again, not just my channel, but YouTube, the investing community. It's become a serious problem. I know even on Instagram, I've recently gone through a couple accounts that have been imposter accounts, and they're actually reaching out to our viewers, my subscribers, my followers, asking them for money, pretending to be me. I know JJ Buckner, another YouTuber in the community, Nate O'Brien, they're going through this exact same thing, and I'm really starting to see it pick up as of recently. So I really wanted to just come out again with a twofold warning here. Just first of all, be careful. This has just been on my mind, and it's becoming an actual problem. And secondly, most importantly, if you guys can, take the time to report these comments. When you do see them, when you do recognize that this is a potential scam, I know it's extremely easy to just, look over it, glance over it, and just continue on with your day. But keep in mind, there are other people out there that may fall for this. And by taking a second or two to just report the comments, I think what that does, I'd hope what that does, is it helps YouTube's algorithm just get a little bit more smarter each and every time, and then they'll be able to identify and block these comments because they are just flooded everywhere. And again, this is just such a shame, because this is the YouTube community, in my opinion, is the best community out there for people to come and learn for free. People who of all levels, all shapes and sizes, can come to learn how to better their finances, better their future, and it's just being tainted by these crappy people wherever they are, just commenting over and over again. So that's my public memo to you guys today. I took some time out of I'm just here trying to get some exercise, quarantined, of course. We got the quarantine sessions over here, being super safe, but it's just becoming a serious problem. And to keep our community as good as it has been, and to keep things pushing forward, I think this is a very important memo. I think it's time someone spoke up and said something about this. So everybody have a good day.